Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 2nd September 2020 shift 1. तो shift 1 का क्वेश्चन है और 2020 का क्वेश्चन है ये. तो जल्दी से देखते हैं क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है. क्वेश्चन says a small block starts slipping down a point B on an inclined plane AB. So this is your inclined plane which is given to you, and a block starts sliding downward, है ना. So from point B, making an angle theta with the horizontal section BC is smooth. That means this section is already smooth, which is given to you, and the remaining section CA is rough. That means it would provide a necessary frictional force, with the coefficient of friction which is also given to you, which is mu. It is found that the block comes to rest as it reaches the bottom. जैसे ही वो नीचे आता है और bottom में it will stop. This is given to you, ठीक है, at the bottom of the inclined plane if BC, this BC portion is twice of AC, है ना. तो जल्दी से हम visualize करेंगे. So this BC is twice of AC. So that means if AC is length L, so this would be your twice of L, don't you think? This would be, if this is L, so this would be twice of L, okay, and this block comes to this particular point at which its speed becomes 0, which is given to you. So the coefficient of friction is given by mu is equal to k tan theta. So what is the value of k? You need to find out the value of k now. First of all, you have to visualize this particular question. When it is at its highest point, it has got potential energy stored in it, है ना. So this entire potential energy will be converted into the work done by the external forces, है ना. जो भी external forces जो work कर रहा हो, जो भी फ्रिक्शनल, यहाँ पे फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स ही वर्क डन करता है ना. सो एंड जो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स जो वर्क डन कर रहा है सिर्फ AC पोर्शन तक के लिए ही कर रहा है ना. तो यू कैन से दैट द वर्क डन बाय दिस, व्हाट यू कैन से, द वर्क डन बाय दिस फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स इज इन ड्यूरिंग दिस पार्ट ओनली. It is for this particular part only, and you can also visualize this question like that कि इस at point B it has got total energy possessed by a body is it just a potential energy, है ना. So जब वो सबसे maximum height पे है तो कौन सी energy possess कर रहा है, potential energy possess कर रहा है body. तब जो वो नीचे आ जाएगा potential 0 हो जाएगा. Again it comes to rest, तो that means कि सारा का सारा potential kinetic में convert नहीं हुआ है. So that means कि kinetic energy यहाँ पे 0 है ना. तो मतलब कि यहाँ पे इतने पोर्शन पे ही वर्क डन उसका हुआ होगा, क्योंकि टोटल एनर्जी mgh है. जल्दी से लिखेंगे, टोटल एनर्जी इज m इंटू g इंटू h. दिस हाइट इज, दिस लेंथ इज 2l, सो दिस वुड बी इक्वल टू 2l साइन थीटा, डोंट यू थिंक? सो इट वुड बी इक्वल, नहीं, 3l साइन थीटा, ओके. दिस लेंथ इज 3l, so this length would become 3l sin theta. Now mg 3l sin theta, this is the energy possessed by a body. This would be dissipated in overcoming friction because it has got nothing, it has got no kinetic energy over here. So that means entire energy has been wasted in the form of frictional work done. So it would be equivalent to work done by friction. तो work done कितना करता है, friction multiplied by इस particular portion में इसका length कितना है, L, है ना. So this would be its length at which the frictional acts. So जल्दी से इसको पुट करो, because frictional is nothing but mu mg cos theta के बराबर है into L, यही है. It would be equivalent to 3 mg L sin theta, okay. So mg से mgl cancel, mgl you will be getting 3 tan theta must be equal to mu. Okay, now equate this equation with this one, so you will be getting k की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी, 3. So from comparing these two equations you can easily find the value of k over here. Okay, so this question is pretty much easier. Just you need to visualize this question as if it has got entire energy, it is dissipated because of work done by friction. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.